Now they're slow playing it like Salem does.
This is the first time I saw the traffic enforcement.
Walk up this way.
Hello. Hey. Good morning. What you looking for?
Her babies are calling her. Look at that. See that right there? See what they're doing? Don't get too close. That right there is a little. See what he's doing?
What?
He's letting you know. He's messing around here. He'll chase somebody in a minute.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, you're holding the traffic. How many are there? Who owns them? Nobody? Nobody, honey?
Probably not. They're probably from that see that thing over there?
The driver was
Look,
laughing.
there's one over there. Yo, dude.
Oi, come on.
Oh, there's more coming.
Look, look, look. Who's holding the traffic? Ay, ay, ay.
Traffic jam.
Oh, jeez. Early in the morning doing the traffic in Greenville.
So look, there's more over here.
Oh, yeah. From the traffic light, they made it a little bit more. That makes me really happy. Oh, jeez.
It was a traffic jam on the highway today.